things today. Some interesting stuff, some more interesting stuff, and I'm gonna make you an optimal review. So I had to wait 2 weeks to get all of them from China, and a couple arrived earlier from the UK, and like a child at the Christmas tree waiting for unboxing, like, no, you have to wait 2 weeks. So I'm super excited, guys. Woo! It's time to open them. So the first one is from the AliExpress from Camo store. It's a camo house for GoPro. Hold on for a second, I'll just take a GoPro. So my GoPro actually in the rubber case to protect it. It feels a bit cheaper than the other, but this looks super cool. Next one is from eBay, Damage 3 Man. It's an army green paracord bracelet. Let's try it. MadMax style. This looks a bit longer. The next one is another bracelet from the Paracords Project UK from eBay. Oh. So I got a message. Thank you, Alex. The next one is Nadim official store from AliExpress. It's another bracelet. Look at that. There's a Spartan helmet on it. How cool is it? Next one is a water bottle from the Goods World AliExpress. Do you like drinking water? I do. And with a bit of taste of lemon or lime, it's a lot better. Okay, I'll give it a try for this. Next one is Camo official store from AliExpress. It's actually an oil diffuser. Cable, oil diffuser, description. Ooh, that's smooth. The last one, Hatlander official. Ooh. Many thanks for shopping. You're welcome. Thank you, Hatlander, 5-star. Thank you, Hatlander, 5-star. I think this is a bit too long. So I need a lighter and a scissor. It's better now. Just clean up the mess now. Maybe I'm addicted to bracelets? I don't think so. This kind of bracelet is a survival bracelet, but to be honest I can't imagine any kind of situation when this could save my life. But at least it looks super cool. The next one is this water bottle. What you see is what you get. I like this fruit squeezer at the end. But huge disadvantage that this one is not BPA free compared to others. What is BPA? I did my research. BPA is an industrial chemical that has been used to make certain plastics since 1960s. BPA possibly affects the health of our brain, the behavior, and there is a possible link between BPA and increased blood pressure. BPA. The next one is this hat. This one came from Hatlander store from AliExpress. It's a bit too big on the top, but I like it anyway. And you can set your size smaller or bigger. And it feels like a good quality product. The next one is this camouflage GoPro case. I just love camouflage, it looks awesome and unique. Compared to the original one, it feels a bit thinner and it opens very easily. So I do not recommend in extreme situation because it might break easier than the original one. The last one is this USB humidifier oil diffuser, but before I could tell anything about this, let's just try it out. hour I couldn't smell anything, so this one is just useless. Thank you guys for watching my review. I hope you like it. Hit that like button if you did and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming Optimal review.